Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm showing you how to move crypto from your OKX wallet to the OKX Exchange. First, open your OKX wallet. You'll see your crypto on the screen. To switch to the exchange, tap the arrow at the top and choose Exchange. Here's the cool part: in your OKX wallet and exchange are already connected, so the crypto you have shows up in both. To move crypto, tap Deposit on the exchange screen. Then select Deposit Crypto. Choose the crypto you want to transfer, like Bitcoin. Tap BTC. If you're in the EU, you'll need to pick a sender because of rules. Select My Private Wallet if it's yours, then tap Continue. Slide the slider to the right to start the process. Now you'll see your deposit address. Tap the copy button to grab it. Since your wallet and exchange are linked, the crypto amount is already the same. This address is mostly for deposits from other places. That's it. Guys, if this helped, give a thumbs up and subscribe.